I'm Steve Smith, class of 2025. I tried university twice before and didn't finish either time. Exams weren't really my thing, and I didn't have the grades to compete in order to go back. But I had built a career, first in retail and restaurant management, and then with the Canadian Armed Forces in air traffic control. What drew me to Royal Roads was they saw the value in that. They looked at the whole picture, my work ethic, my lived experience, and not just my grades and exams. The program's hands-on approach really clicked for me. I spent years in environments where you learn something and then you do it. In the military, that's with simulations, and at Royal Roads, it's the live client projects. And when things go sideways, I leaned on something that the military really drilled into me, and that's to always have a plan B. Working in small teams helped me build upon my management background and refine my leadership skills to help others step up. And that's how you make teams work, especially when everyone's coming from different places. I've graduated now from my BBA and will be taking a commission to officer with the military. And the BBA gave me the practical experience to step into that role with confidence. But it also gave me something bigger. And that's a broader sense of what I'm capable of, both in the military and beyond that.